GetResponse. If you don't know what GetResponse is, it's an email marketing platform where people can send out emails automatically in their business. But not only that, people can create landing pages, they can create marketing automation, and they can create funnels. So essentially what this is, it's an all-in-one business platform that online businesses can use to grow and scale their business. And we can make money from this. And people essentially pay money every single month to use this program, and we can make a little commission from people actually doing this. So what happens is we can actually sign up as an affiliate to GetResponse, right? And we can get 33% every single month from that person's plan as long as they stay on using GetResponse, and we get paid a commission every single month for that, right? I have someone on my GetResponse where I make $100 per month just from that one person, and I have some people that I make $4 from, $5, $10, $20, $50. I get lots of different commissions from different people from this platform, but that's exactly how it works. You get a commission from the plans that people sign up to. So you'll get, so this one you'll get 33% of that, 33% of that, or 33% of that, and there's different tiers as well on the pricing. So this is what GetResponse looks like if you've never seen it before. This is the page where people sign up, and these are all the features that people get with the platform. You can see that there's a lot, like you might be using this in your business, I'm not sure. This is more about the affiliate marketing side, but I'll quickly go over this. People essentially use this to grow their business, get more sales, and scale their online business. And if we go down, there's lots of information here. Now, I actually use this myself. It's a great program. It's great for beginners. If you scroll down and you click on this bit here, it says affiliate programs. And it'll take you to a page where it's got all the information of how to sign up as an affiliate, where you would get a commission for promoting this product. So you scroll down here. Now, this is important. There's actually two types of affiliate programs, and I've actually tested both of them. So the first one is called the Affiliate Bounty Program, where you get a one-time commission of $100 every time somebody signs up. If you want to sign up to this, you just click sign up. Now, the thing about this one is it's pretty good. You do make really good commissions, but you only make a one-time fee, okay? So that's it. I'm actually signed up to the 33% one. The reason is because you get 33% every single month as long as that person stays on the program. I've had people who have signed up under me 4, 5, 6 years ago. I still make money from them today. So this one is more of a long-term affiliate structure. This one here is a fast affiliate structure, get money quickly, but you keep needing to put more and more people in there because you only get one payment when the person signs up. I would recommend going for the affiliate recurring program. That's what I use, and that's the best one that I've tested so far. And you just click on sign up. And when you click on sign up, I'm logged in, so it might not work. Oh, here we go. You just put in the information that they ask for, and you simply sign up under their affiliate program. Once they give you, once you log in, you'll come to a page like this. And here's your affiliate link right here. So you click copy. This link is what you're going to be sending your traffic to, okay? So you just click copy and paste this online, and this is where people are going to click and potentially purchase the product under you. And so how do you actually get traffic to this link? This is the most important part. In this particular blog post, I'm actually telling people they should purchase these other programs. Well, I'm giving them alternatives. You might be wondering, why would you be doing that when you're trying to make money on GetResponse? I still have an affiliate link for GetResponse, so I could potentially still make money there. But I also, I'm putting them in soon, I don't have them yet. I'm also going to be putting in affiliate links for these particular programs as well. So I could make money from all of these other programs as well. So it starts to stack up, and you will eventually have quite a lot of affiliate links you have to organize. Just put them all in a spreadsheet with your login details and keep them safe. But if you get like $20 a month, even from all of these, for example, that's 9 of them. That's like $200 right there nearly, just from these particular programs that people could potentially sign up to. But GetResponse is still my main focus. So if you wanted to make money online with GetResponse, this is the exact way you should be doing it. This is exactly how I'm making my affiliate marketing commissions with GetResponse.